Hi everyone, I'm Neil with Arcan Trailer. I'm going to take you into our Sundance 221 RB, that's rear bath. It's actually one of our most popular couples trailers we have on the lot, and I'll show you why. Sundance is made by Heartland. Heartland isn't new, they've been around for a long time. They operate under the structure of Thor. Here we have our one-piece molded fiberglass cap. It's the same type of cap you're gonna find on a high-end fifth wheel. They put it on their lightweight travel trailers. And then, of course, you've got your checker plate rock guard here to protect. On the front, you have a power tongue jack and two 20-pound propane tanks with an auto changeover regulator. Nice and clean, big pass-through storage on these. The pass-through storage is finished on both sides. It's illuminated with a long strip of LED lighting as well, and it has the slam latch door. The slam latch door is something you find on a big bus. A little bit of a thicker baggage door as well, and it has the magnet catch. These have power stabilizer jacks on all four corners, so the touch of a button and they come up and down to stabilize and keep your trailer nice and sturdy when camping. And the electric awning that goes down the whole length of the trailer over top of the door. It's a power awning, comes out 8 feet. And in the awning also, right up, not in the awning because it's up against the trailer, is LED lighting too, which will illuminate your entire campground when it's dark out. So this is of course a hard wall, so it's a laminated fiberglass exterior with an aluminum frame skeleton inside. The wall is actually a block foam insulation. It's a high density foam. Come on inside with me, I'll show you why everyone loves this floor plan. So welcome in the Sundance 221. This is a lightweight, well-constructed, easily towed couples coach with one slide on it. The slide features a U-shaped dinette, and that dinette folds down into a good size bed as well. I'd say about a double bed. You could put a couple adults on there. There's good storage underneath as well, and they do provide access to the storage. And in the front it has a residential queen island bed. They've done something new this year which I quite like on the Sundances, and if you could see, there is storage underneath the bed, but it's accessible from the sides. So you see it right in there, it's illuminated as well. You know, you might use that storage with a couple totes or Rubbermaid containers, or maybe you put a dog bed there and your furry four-legged friend sleeps under there too. So on either side of the bed, you've got full wardrobes, and you've got individual reading lamps, which are LED with a backlight as well. And they are both equipped with a little side table as well as a 110 volt plug. In the kitchen, you've got your two-tier countertop, which I think is just stellar. It kind of separates the trailer a little bit. So you've got your kitchen, and then you've got your kind of breakfast nook countertop, and then your bedroom in front. This countertop is backlit as well with a nice accent. The TV would go there. It has an entertainment center, which is Bluetooth connectivity, Furrion, residential style tap, and full-size stainless steel sink with cutting board cover. Moving along the line, we've got our Suburban range top and oven combo. It all self-ignite. You don't need to hold a match to it or anything. It has its own sparker, and above it is a hood fan with light, which is truly vented to the outside, as well as a microwave. Lots of storage in this trailer too. You know, for a 21, 22 foot trailer, it's full of cabinets and extra storage, which is very important in your trailer. The fridge is right here. A lot of people love the access to the fridge from the door, so you're coming right into the coach. You don't have to move around too much. You can get right into your fridge. It's a 7 cubic foot, 2-door fridge and freezer that works off of both power sources, either electricity or 110 volt if you're plugged in. And the rear bath. Nice size bathroom, lots of room on that commode, and then in the neo-angled shower, which sorry is not open for you right now, and then a good size vanity as well. So one of the other features to the Sundance that I really like is the ceiling height. I'm a tall guy, I'm 6'2" when I stand up straight. The ceiling is actually barreled, and they're built this way It's not just for water runoff on the roof, because most trailers are crowned up there, but it's nice that they increase it with in the interior ceiling height. Makes it feel like a higher profile fifth wheel in here. Of course, the trailer is equipped with all the appliances I didn't talk about, like the furnace and the air conditioner, which is ducted through that ceiling. But you'll have to come in it yourself to see more. So once again, thanks for joining me. I'm Neil with Arcan Trailer. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to Arcan YouTube channel for more informative videos, upcoming promotions, and some technical service videos too.